Welcome to Skill Enhancement courses under UGCF 2022. Today we will unveil the Skill Enhancement courses. Big Data Analytics first. It is 2 credits course. Unit 1, Understanding Big Data. In this unit, we are going to cover data storage and analysis, the process of data analysis, characteristics of big data analytics, typical analytical architecture, requirement for new analytical architecture, challenges in big data analytics, need of big data frameworks. Next is Unit 2, Foundations of Big Data Systems. Getting started with Hadoop, requirement of Hadoop framework, design principle of Hadoop comparison with other system, understanding Hadoop ecosystem, Hadoop components, Hadoop 1 vs Hadoop 2. Next is Unit 3, Hadoop Distributed File System, HDFS. The design of HDFS, Hadoop daemons, HDFS commands, HDFS concepts, command line interface, Hadoop file system interfaces, loading data into HDFS, read-write process to HDFS. Last one is Unit 4, Introduction to Parallel Programming with MapReduce. MapReduce programming, I/O formats, map side join, reduce side join, secondary sorting, pipelining MapReduce jobs, MapReduce execution pipeline, map, shuffle and sort, reduce. Practical exercises. Downloading and installing Hadoop. Understanding different Hadoop modes. Startup scripts, configuration files. Hadoop implementation of file management tasks, such as adding files and directories, retrieving files and deleting files. Run a basic word count MapReduce program to understand MapReduce paradigm, to count words in a given file, to view the output file, and to calculate the execution time. MapReduce program to analyze time temperature statistics and generate report with max, minute temperature. Hope it's helpful.